So hello my dear students and welcome back to another fresh new episode of your homeschooling and digital learning process. This is your digital classroom and today we'll be taking our Merchant of Venice Act 3 Scene 4 a bit further from line number 46. Now students, till now we have seen Portia giving charge of her house to Lorenzo and Jessica. Now today we'll find her speaking to Balthazar and giving him some commands to work out. Next we'll find that she speaks to Nerissa about her later plans. So students, let's begin our show for today. Portia, I thank you for your wish and I'm well pleased to wish it back on you. Fare you well, Jessica. Now Balthazar, as I have ever found thee honest true, so let me find thee still. Take the same letter and use thou all the endeavour of man. In speed to Padua, see thou render this into my cousin's hand, Dr. Bellario, and look what notes and garments he doth give thee. Bring them, I pray thee, with imagined speed unto the Tronic, to the common ferry, which trades to Venice. Waste no time in words, but get thee gone. I shall be there before thee. So Portia first thanks Jessica and Lorenzo for the wishes, and now she gives instructions to Balthazar, the servant. Got it? What she says, now Balthazar, as I have ever found thee honest, true, so let me find thee still. What she says that Balthazar, I have always found you trustworthy, and let me continue to find you so. Correct? Now the set of instructions, you can mark it down. Take this same letter and use thou all the endeavour of a man. Take this letter and use your manly power. In speed to Padua, reach this place called Padua. First is the letter, second convenient speed, next third to reach Padua. And then what to do? See thou render this into my cousin's hand, Dr. Bellario. Give this letter, render is to give this letter to whom? To Portia's cousin named as Dr. Bellario. Got it? Children generally get confused who is Balthazar, who is Dr. Bellario. So totally you have got the clear-cut idea. Balthazar is the servant. Dr. Bellario is Portia's cousin. Got it? And look what notes and garments he doth give thee. And looking for what notes and garments he's going to give you. Got it? Next point. Okay. Bring them, I pray thee. Please bring it to me with imagined speed, with all convenient and conceivable speed, unto the Tronict. Tronict is what? Tronict is a landing place where the ferries carry passengers to Venice. Got it? Unto the Tronict, to the common ferry, to which trades to Venice, that carries passengers to Venice. Waste no time in words. Do not speak and waste any more time, but get thee gone. But move on to finish off your work. Got it? I shall be there before thee. What she says, I'll reach that place before thee. If they ask you which place is she talking about, it is the Tronict. Got it? Keep this thing in your mind. And where is Balthazar heading towards? Balthazar heading towards Padua to meet Dr. Bellario. Got it? Where is Portia heading towards? Portia is heading towards Venice now. Understood? Okay. Balthazar, madam, I go with all convenient speed. He says, madam, I leave from this particular place and I will go as fast as I can. Portia, come on, Nerissa, I have work in hand that you yet know not of. We'll see our husbands before they think of us. So, after Balthazar leaves, Portia says, come Nerissa, I have a plan in my mind and you still are not aware of that. Then she says, we'll see our husbands. We will see our husbands before they think of us, before they even get to think about us? Nerissa, shall they see us? So Nerissa asks whether shall they see us or not. Their husbands, they refer to as their husbands. Correct. So Portia, they shall, Nerissa, but in such a habit that they shall think we are accomplished with that we lack. So Portia says, yes, they will see us, Nerissa, but in such a habit, means in such a dress, that they shall think, that they would think that we are accomplished with that we lack. That means we are equipped with the qualities of men which in reality we lack. Got it? So in reality, what their husbands would think, that these two people are equipped with the qualities of men which in reality they lack. I'll hold thee any wager when we are both accounted like young men. I'll prove the prettier fellow of the two, and wear my dagger with a braver grace, and speak between the change of man and boy. So, what Portia is telling here, I can bet you any amount that when we both are dressed up, or when we both are equipped like young men, I will prove the smarter fellow of the two. Got it? Two referred to as Portia and Nerissa. Okay. And wear my dagger. Dagger is a short knife with the braver grace. What she says that she'll put on her dagger with an air of boldness and speak between the change of man and boy. And she would speak as if her voice were changing from a boy's voice to a man's voice. With a reed voice, and turn to mincing steps into a manly stride, and speak of phrase like a fine bragging youth, and tell quaint lies. How honorable ladies sought my love, which I denying, they fell sick and died. I could not do withal, then I'll repent and wish for all that I had not killed them. So, what Portia is telling here? Portia is telling here, with a shrill voice I'll speak, and turn to mincing steps. I'll take short and quick steps. Now, what I'll do, I'll turn my ladylike short, quick steps into a manly stride. I'll walk like a man. Got it? What she's telling here? Instead of taking two mincing steps, like ladylike short, quick step, I'll take one manly stride for each two feminine steps. Got it? She'll walk like a man and speak of phrase. She'll speak of fight. Got it? Next, like a fine bragging youth, like a boastful youth, I'll tell fanciful lies. I'll speak lies. And what would be those lies? It would be about how honorable ladies sought my love. What she will speak? She'll speak about few honorable ladies who fell in love with Portia. Got it? Which I denying, they fell sick and died. And when Portia denied or refused to accept their love, they fell sick and they died. Got it? Okay. I could not do with all. She's telling, I could not help it. And literally, I cannot do anything with it because it is beyond me. Then what she'll do? Then I'll repent and wish for all that I had not killed them. Then she would pretend that she is sorry, and she would wish that she should not have killed them by refusing their proposal. And 20 of these puny lies I'll tell, that men shall swear I have discontinued school above a 12th month. I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks of these bragging jacks, which I'll practice. Okay, so what Portia is telling here? Portia is telling here that 20 of these small and weak lies I'll tell, and what will happen? The men shall swear I have discontinued school. That men will believe that it is a year since she has left school. Got it? It has been a year since she has left school. I have within my mind 1,000 raw tricks of these bragging jacks. Now she says that she has at least 1,000 raw tricks in her mind, that is crude schoolboy tricks, which these boastful fellows have in their mind. Just like a schoolboy, she has 1,000 raw tricks in her mind, and she will display it when time comes. Got it? Okay. But come, I'll tell thee all my whole device. Then she says, Nerissa, that come fast. I'll tell you about my entire plan when I am in my coach, which stays for us, which is waiting for us at the park gate, and therefore haste away. So therefore hurry up, for we must measure 20 miles today. Why? Because we need to travel and cover 20 miles today. Got it? So ultimately in this particular speech you'll find that Portia is ready to be disguised as a lawyer. Got it? And this is the preparation when she is traveling with Nerissa. And why she is preparing like this? She's preparing like this because to avoid the dangers that she might face while traveling to Venice. There might be thieves, there might be robbers. Got it? So she is disguising herself as a man so that she is away from the dangers that she might encounter while traveling to Venice. So my dear students, that's all for today. Next week, same day, same time, I will be back with another fresh new episode. So till then, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.